Can you see me? Can you hear anyone? Can you hear? I can't hear anyone. Sushant speaking. Sushant, I can't hear.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, just please wait. Please wait. Okay. Yeah, so good afternoon, all the participants.
Good
We have
afternoon.
completed our course actually. I think 12-week assignment also done, right? Students? Anyone? Niharika, network issue maybe. Tushar?
Yes, sir.
All 12 weeks done, right? Assignment.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No,
now
sir. In 18, 12th assignment will completed.
completed. So with everything completed, you're waiting for final exam, right?
Sir, we have some questions.
Yeah.
Uh, Sir, you will release the all assignment solutions in PDF format.
Solution not there. Huh? Okay, detailed solution. Okay, then I'll check.
In PDF format.
Okay, so assignment actually, basically numerical question you are saying.
No, sir. Numerical we are almost solved.
But other part?
Theoretical and some numerical also. If you send that out.
No, like what you can do, because many objective questions are there, so explaining may be required, or if a specific question are there in some cases, so maybe you can, if people can list and you can send me, then I can respond, or maybe I can give on another live session maybe before exam. Then I can explain. All question explanation may not be required, no? Because if I want to prepare all this 12 assignment, it will be very tedious job for me. Okay.
No, sir. You will release some assignment solution in starting week 1 or 2 week, 1 to 3 weeks, and before that you will be stopped at release the solution.
No, like which one you are saying? Like MS multiple select.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or whether no, I'm saying like preparing all this solution, because whenever I created question, I did not keep any record. Okay, so if you ask me, then again I have to do from beginning. So rather you can bring those problems if you do not understand something. So maybe that one I can give some solutions. I can explain in some like live session I can create and I can do. What do you think? Because I don't have any written solution for that at this moment.
Okay, sir. No
Okay.
problem.
If you have any specific question, then maybe that one you can send me like in
Sir,
forum.
in assignment 11, question number 5 and question number 9.
Mm-hmm.
If you check that questions.
Okay, let me check.
Assignment 11, question 5 and 9.
No, wait. This is it. You have posted already, right?
Yes. No, sir, I'm not posted because live session is done. So.
Okay. No, I don't have that questions also. Anyone is having that question? Because I'm using a different computer actually. If anyone has the question, then you can type maybe, or you can tell me. What is the question?
So, just.
You have the. Do you have the question? Okay, so if you are not getting now, so maybe you can post or so.
I will post that question.
Okay, so you have written here. In venturimeter, the pipe diameter 20, the narrow section diameter 10. The manometer shows differential pressure 1000, and the theoretical flow rate is how much? There's a working fluid.
When we solve this by your process, which you will tell in lecture. The
So
type of range is between 0.4 to 0.6. So I will request you to check this the range again, answer range.
oh, you asked in forum? Did you ask in forum?
Hello.
Let me check. Did you ask in forum that one?
Yes, sir. Answer range. Answer will be come in the 0.4 or 0.6 between them
Okay. No,
when we
because
solve this problem.
when I was submitting, because what is happening, like you ask in question forum, based on that, I ask NPTEL authority, just change this question or give free marks to everyone or no marks to everyone, something like that. So if you post in forum, then accordingly I take action. So did you?
Okay, sir. I will post it.
Yeah. So
One more question that, sir, I have.
uh-huh. Yeah. So please post all these things so that from there only I will see. If no one is commenting, then I'll assume everything is correct. You got it?
Yes, sir.
You people are commenting and you're saying this problem, this question is a problem, or this must be corrected. In that case, I will read that one only because I am too much busy, so I cannot read everything again. You understand?
Okay.
If you write the problem, then I'll check that one. Okay.
Sir,
So,
one more question.
uh-huh.
I will post it.
From the list of equipment, find the correct option. Power fluid, tube, mixing chamber, while traveling work. Okay, idling jet pump. Okay. So there is some problem in that question.
Sir, in this, I select the option A. The
Uh,
hydraulic jet pump contain 1, 2, and 5, which is a power fluid mixing chamber
mm-hmm,
and diffuser.
mm-hmm,
Or I will also select the hydraulic engine pump. In
mm-hmm,
hydraulic engine pump, I will you will tell that the fluid are will in two types manner. In engine pump, the mixed fluid also come.
mm-hmm.
It is also a type of a engine pump, but in the answer this will be wrong option.
Okay. Okay, so I have to check that one. What wrong thing done? Whether I actually wrong or maybe you're understanding wrong, so I have to explain it. I have to re-explain again. Okay. So again, you write down separately. Okay, because here I cannot remember what I have
Okay.
spoken. Okay. So maybe in forum in one forum you can create and you can post all these issues, then we'll take action. Okay. So immediately I cannot remember what I have spoken in the video. Okay. So yeah, every student I suggest you post everything in forum so that I can take that comment and based on that I can give question I can correct. Okay. And if any extra session required, then let me know. Otherwise, this will be last session. Uh, okay. And next thing is that
Sir,
final exam.
yes, sir. On 29.
29 of this month. So final exam, NPTEL will take. I'll not be there in between. But final exam, like you see the assignment questions, all assignment 12 assignments, and you check this lecture also, whatever there. Normally, question will be there based on this one only. Outside question should not be there. Okay, maybe
Okay.
yeah, it should not be there actually. And if there is any error, I cannot do anything because then at the moment maybe I have to skip that question. Like free marks I have to give to all. I don't know. NPTEL will be suggesting what to do if there is any error in any question. Normally, it should not be any error. I checked 2, 3 times, but still there might be
Sir,
some error in some questions. So in that case, maybe I have to give number or I have to ignore that question. Okay, in
sir,
final
we
exam.
have. Sir, I have an confusion in the multiple choice questions.
Uh-huh.
Multiple selective question. In this, like in assignment, give the 2 points in the and the options are a three.
Hmm.
But generally, we select the only two options. Then the
Ah,
1.3
yeah.
tab is.
Actually, I'm
How
following.
can I check that?
Yes, that is the case. So
Yes.
gate paper also you will find that the two question will be correct. So based on that gate, I have taken the suggestion. So two maybe two correct, maybe one correct, maybe three correct. So uncertainty will be increasing. Okay, it
Hmm.
will be more difficult for the student actually. Okay. So if I make only two, then it will be easier for you. You know that one you have clicked, second you have to click. But if I make three or four anything, then it will be more uncertain and it will be difficult for the student actually.
Yes, sir.
So gate, because I am following the gate pattern. So gate also
Yes.
they are doing like this.
Sir, no, but you will give the 3 marks also for the three options, or one you will give the 2 point
So in
in
gate,
question, then you will.
in gate they will have 2 marks. Okay, gate will have 1 marks or 2 marks. There is no gate in
But
gate.
how we evaluate that this is a three options and two options?
So I don't know how this NPTEL authority will do. Whatever instruction they have given based on the time, because they are saying multiple select means more than one or more than one. One also possible, but it not be zero or it may not be all. So this is final that none is correct or all is correct. It will not be there. Okay, out of five, one or four will be correct. 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's very much uncertain actually. Like, uh,
Yes, sir.
if I give only two, then it is more certain. But I check gate papers; they are having this strategy of making more uncertain. Okay, so normally it should be following like whatever assignment is there. So similar question may be there, some distorted question, little bit different question, but you must follow the lecture and assignment. Then maybe final exam will be easier. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and what are other difficulty faced?
So other than before that, like other than lecture videos, some material will be provided by or not?
Lecture, I think the transcript one student is preparing. I don't know whether Avinash or anyone, Prashant, you know what is the status of that transcript?
Sir, I'm not sure about that thing. I will check and let you know, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, IT has assigned one student to prepare transcript because they are using AI to create text material, but AI giving lots of wrong thing, like our accent they are not
Yes.
able to catch. So one student is assigned. So the student is preparing this transcript. I don't know how much he has prepared. Okay, so NPTEL authority
Oh,
and that student they are deciding because I'm so much busy I cannot trace everything. They are copying me,
yes.
but I cannot trace. Okay.
So, sir, you will posted the assignment lecture assignment solutions in PDF format or not?
Assign all solution I did not prepare actually. So if you have
But
any
no,
uh-huh.
no. If, whenever you prepare them,
Uh-huh. No. This assignment like 1 marks, 2 marks, MCQ, MSQ, and NAT. No. So NAT maybe I will have some solution, but 1 marks, 2 marks, MCQ or MSQ I will not have any specific file now. Okay. So if you have any problem, any issue for any problem, so that part maybe I can give some written or something. That will be okay. But other professors are giving like that, like PDF solution. Other course have you taken NPTEL? No idea.
okay.
Yeah, any other course you have taken in NPTEL? Not yet. Huh? Okay.
No, sir. In other courses, there will be simultaneously posted the lectures or solutions of the assignments.
Okay, they are posting solution also. Huh?
Uh, yes, sir. They put the solution also in PDF format.
Okay, but NPTEL did not ask me, so I'll check with them. If they're asking me, then there should be one extra work for me because numerical question I will have solution, not proper formatted, but some formula based thing I will have. But the 2 marks question for MSQ or MCQ, so that one we'll see how to prepare. But let's say 1 marks question, which is India capital, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi. So where there is no explanation required, right? There.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Which NAT question you will be posted if that
Uh,
will be also help us.
which one?
NAT questions, NAT questions,
Okay,
NAT and
numerical.
multiple.
Okay, that one maybe you can try. Maybe Avinash or Prashant, you see I have solution is there, so just you have to little bit arrange and you have to give. Okay, so we'll see. But you have exam on 29th, so before that you have to give.
Yes, sir.
So I'll check with NPTEL what suggestion they are giving. Okay. So based on that, we'll take the information. We'll give. Okay. So they did not ask me for giving solutions. Okay. But if they are saying giving okay, then I'll give. Whatever they will be asking, I'll. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have question. One more question. So what is the standard of the lowest pressure of wellbore or reservoir at the point we said that the well needed artificial lift system?
What
What
is
is
the
the lowest pressure
pressure?
at which we said that the well needs the artificial lift in
Okay.
few days?
So
Or
there is no lowest pressure like some
yeah,
well.
standard pressure.
Uh-huh.
Standard pressure, मतलब range of
Okay.
standard
Yeah,
pressure
so there should not
where
be
the
less
well
pressure.
needed.
For example, I was working in the UK for stripper wellbore. So if you find that any wellbore is not having enough pressure and it is not economical to produce, so I was designing artificial lift for those wellbores in the UK. So their pressure was like we are assuming like there is no pressure, almost zero or something. Not zero, not possible, but let's say 510 or 100 200 psi, very low. I mean, naturally, those well bore will not be flowing at all, and companies will be closing and they will be go away. So I was designing artificial lift for those companies. Okay, I was in Scotland, so I was designing for them. You got it. So how low pressure can be?
Sir, what kind of tests which is using to find out the which kind of system artificial lift system is used for a particular well?
What kind of?
Artificial lift system is used for particular well. How will we test it?
I will be checking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you have studied all the artificial lift systems. So every artificial lift is having their own properties, right? For example, high viscosity. So definitely we are going to select PCP. Okay, so now PCP, now resizing things will be going, but high gas is there. So then again, you have to see high gas and high viscosity. Then maybe gas separator you have to use along with PCP. So then that's why you have to learn the different properties of different artificial lifts and wellbore property you have to know. Then you know both wellbore property and artificial lift, then match. Actually, one of my students did some work on multi-criteria decision making. I did not put in this lecture. Multi-criteria discipline decision making means like you have many criteria: wellbore depth, wellbore gradient, viscosity, temperature. All these parameters, if you select and if you give some weight, then one code he has written. That code will tell which artificial lift will be more suitable. It cannot say best, but you can say these are the better suitable for this wellbore. Then again, you do analysis and see which one will be exactly fitting for your wellbore. If you do not know all the artificial lift, then actually you will not be able to select anything. Okay. So there is one technical multi-criteria decision making. So that one student did, MTech student, a few years back, and finally he got job in ONGC also. He was doing MTech in IT Madras. Okay. So that is called multi-criteria decision making. So several criteria you put: viscosity, temperature, sand, gas, everything. Then the software will tell which will be better one. Okay. So maybe let us start some other course on this one, how to decide based on software or some other technique, but not in this course. If I include that one, the course volume will be too much. So I just skip that one. Okay.
So
Okay.
the enhanced recovery is not in this course. So why?
Which one?
Enhanced oil recovery.
No,
This
that is
is
not
also a
a
part
part
of
of this course.
recovery.
No, enhanced oil recovery is EOR. So that is not part of this course. Okay. So they will be injecting maybe high temperature steam. So to change reservoir property. But in artificial lifting system, I'm not changing reservoir property. So reservoir,
Yes, sir.
whatever
We
they are
changing
giving,
the well property.
okay. So whatever reservoir giving oil or gas, we are pumping from wellbore to the surface. But if you are saying you are in that case, you are changing the reservoir property. Okay, but in my course, I'm not changing reservoir property. Okay, there are two different things. Okay.
Yes, sir. UR is a separate subject.
Yeah. So UR is separate subject. Okay, enhanced oil recovery,
You will come with this.
injection, all these separate
In
subject.
future, you will come
So
with.
separate course will be there in many universities. Okay.
Sir, you will come. Sir, you will come in future with this course.
UR I am not teaching. Some other colleague in IT Madras, Jitendra Sangwai, he was teaching. I don't know whether still he's teaching. He is now in chemical engineering department, but regular course, not NPTEL or online course. Okay. So I don't know who is teaching now. In IT Madras, I don't know that course is still there. Okay. So yeah, UR is not part of my course. So next semester I'll be teaching surface production operation. So separation of oil, gas, sand, water. So that one I'm recording now. So next semester I'll be floating that one. From January onwards, the online videos will be available. Okay. So that is not UR. That is on surface production operations. Okay.
Okay, sir. Surface.
Okay. So you list whatever specific issues are there. Maybe you can post in one that forum in some text something. Then maybe I will try to reply those things only. But replying all the questions, like all the preparing answer for all the questions will be very difficult. For a specific question, I can give the answers. Okay, little bit explanation or something. That will be okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So because 12 assignment and again reworking is very difficult for me. So better you give specific problem, then accordingly I will give solutions. Okay. Okay. So in YouTube also people will be there, right? They are not asking any question, right, Prashant? Prashant, Avinash?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In YouTube, they are asking any question or
No, sir.
they can watch
Not
only?
like it. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay. So here only Tushar is there. Niharika also there. Niharika, can you hear? I think not connecting. We can't hear Niharika. Mostly she has a problem, internet or some issues there. Okay. So what to do? No other question is there, then can I close? Yeah, so this course will basically to select artificial lift for specific wellbore. Let's say you know wellbore properties and you don't know which pump to use and how to operate. Let's say you are a production engineer and you have to operate the system so that you can get maximum benefit from your wellbore. So in that case, you have to learn how the wellbore properties. You have to learn artificial lifting system properties. Then you have to mix up and you have to select best one. Okay. And without knowing the wellbore and artificial lifting system, randomly if you buy ESP or PCP or anything, so that may not give the proper performance, or it may not be economical, or it may be failing quickly. Okay. So through this course, I hope we have learned from basic to up to certain level. And if you are going to industry, you should be able to do certain level of work without training also, I feel. Okay. If you're going for application or let's say surface production engineer, that will be also okay. Or if you're going for designing also, that will also be okay. Do you have any issue with the question? Okay. Okay, so if any questions are there, just please put there in a forum. Because if you are not putting in
Okay,
forum, it all are correct. Okay. And based on that, I'll be asking an NPTEL authority to give you fix it, freeze it. I think I have frozen assignment 9 also. If assignment 12, I did not frozen. So assignment 12, if you have any question, you can put there. Based on that, I'll ask NPTEL, okay, ignore this question. Only I can ask only ignore. Modification not allowed, I think. Okay, let's say question 5 is wrong. So question 5, I'll ask them, okay, this is wrong. So they will ignore the question and they'll give me marks. Okay. And any other suggestion also, please give me. Maybe you can give me personal email or anything so that we are learning, so we can improve. Maybe next year when I'll be launching this one again for NPTEL course, I'll be giving better question. Maybe some video I can replace also. I can ask NPTEL to replace some videos. So anything possible. So your suggestion is very much important. Okay. So you criticize
Yes.
whatever you like and give some constructive suggestion also, so that we can improve gradually and we can make things better. And it should be good for all the students in India, not only India, abroad also. They should learn nicely from IIT. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then best of luck for your exam. And if you are not meeting for another live, if not required, then this will be our last live session. And next live session, if someone is taking my course, surface production operation next semester, then again we'll meet there.
Sir, in which month you will start? In which month you will start?
Surface production operations.
From which month?
January it will start.
How many days for? 8 week or 12 week?
12 weeks. That also 12
Okay.
weeks. Surface production operations. So many colleges, they will be teaching that course also. Okay, so I thought let's record it and give to students who may not have teacher or who may want to learn from IT, NPTEL, and get one separate certification. So that will be good for them.
Yes, sir. Sir, you will tell about some exams also. Question from which portion the questions
Yeah,
are
so
technical
exam will
question
be
more
balanced.
are.
Yeah, so exam will be balanced. Balance means like all 12 weeks is covered in the question paper. All 12 weeks. Okay, so
No, all
almost
12 because most of the I will talk about topics, the SRP, PCP, and sometimes you have more
so 12
videos
weeks.
on SRP, PCP.
Oh. Yeah, so the 12 weeks course, right? So every week will have certain amount of questions. So 100 divided by 12. So assume 8 question per assignment. 8 marks. 8 marks per assignment, you can per week, you can say. Okay. So that way I try to create balance. So
how many balance with numerical type question will be how many number of numerical type question will come?
That exactly I cannot remember. Total will be 100 marks, and number of questions will be like 60 around. Okay, so around 30 question will be 1 marks, I think, and remaining will be 2 marks. And remaining will be towards 30 means 30 marks plus 70. So 35, 35. Yeah, about like 1 marks will be around 30 and 2 marks will be 35, 35, something like that. So whatever I can remember. So more or less will be like this. So normally every week we'll have one numerical question, something like that. Okay. So one numerical question will be selected from every week. 1 or 2 weeks there is no numerical thing. So other week I have balanced. Let's say 1 week 2 numerical question, 1 week maybe 2 more MCQ. Another week we'll have more.
Numerical come from the assignments questions also lecture from lecture also.
Assignment plus classes. Okay, so it will be follow similar thing. So if you are following class and assignment, you should get good marks. Okay. Yeah, you should get. I hope it will be good. Because the NPTEL said like we cannot innovate too many things in final exam. So whatever I am teaching, whatever I have there in assignment, so similar thing I should give in final exam. Okay, so if you are preparing well in assignment and class, whatever videos are there, then I think final exam you should get pass mark or very good marks. Okay. Fine, sir.
Okay.
Let's see how this goes on. I mean, exam and how many candidates getting pass mark, how many students are getting job through this course. We'll see. I'll observe. I'll see. Okay. So if people getting any option or any negative thing also after completing the course, you should inform me. Accordingly, I will take action next level.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. See you then.
Yes.
Okay. Best of luck, all the students, for the final exam. Okay. Okay. I'm closing then.
Yes, sir. Good day, sir.
Bye.